Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Zazie Graphics here. Now in this video I'm going to teach you how to create this simple underwater effect using Pixellab. If you join me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, put on the post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video here on YouTube. Okay, without any further ado, let's just go straight to the tutorial. Now the first thing you just have to come to this particular site in Pixellab. Come to From Gallery. Okay, and locate the image you are going to use for your background. That's what you will be doing first. Kind of locate the image you'll be using for your background. Okay, so you just, wherever the folder is, just locate it and just tap on it. Okay, so if you tap on this, you're gonna get something like this. Okay, so but I don't want it, so this is what I have here. So the next thing is I will bring in my model's picture. It's an underwater experience, underwater vibe. So I will put it somewhere around here. Then the next thing is I'll have to play with my hue. I will have to increase the hue, yeah, like this kind of color. I kind of want it to blend with the water. It's gonna appear as real as possible. Okay. Alright, so okay, so we have this. Alright, and I'll just lock this one. So the next thing I'll be doing is I will bring this particular bubbles. So I can just come here. I kind of want it to blend with this real image. So I will try and bring it here, or try and bring it somewhere around here. So let me check about 50. I think it's kind of okay like this. Okay, so we put it somewhere around here. Alright, so we have that one here. You can choose to put it up. Now when something is underwater, it's actually be creating underwater bubbles, kind of bubbles that have this underwater vibe. So I've copied it. I don't know, my phone has been hanging lately. I can't even copy. Just, I guess I have to reset this one. So then I can choose to squeeze this one just to, okay. Okay, I'll put it here. Alright. Okay, I can put it somewhere like this. I can just increase this one. You don't want it too big. I don't want to start covering the girl's face, so I'll just lock this one. So this other one, I'm thinking of maybe I should just increase the size a bit, because I want it to be reflecting on the side of the lady. Okay, so maybe you can just choose to reduce the opacity if you don't want this one to draw too much attention or that from the lady. Okay, so maybe, and you do the same thing, a repetition, opacity, and you repeat the same thing. Okay, so since you've done it like this, I see it's having this underwater vibe, but this lady is still looking at if it's outside, so I'll still copy my background. So I'll just stretch it out. Alright, so just make sure it's at the center of the canvas and you lock it. So this next one is you kind of mix your background color with the real image. So you can see it will now kind of reflect on the image. So I can set it about in the range of 15 to 20. So let's look at Okay, let me just leave it at 25. Now if you look at it, it's kind of giving me this underwater vibe. Now if you're, I think this girl is appearing as if it's close to the surface. Now you can choose to add this one. I never wanted to add it before. When something just drops in water, it will have this water splash if the thing has just dropped inside that water. So the same thing you have to do is just come here to about 50. So, and you just reduce the opacity to, and you just position it somewhere around. Let's put it at the back of the lady. But I don't want it because it will just be dragging for attention. However, if you want it, you can just go ahead with it. But for me, I'll just try and hide it. So I will. Okay, I think I'll have to just bring it in. Okay, so I'll just come here and save the project. So I used YouTube thumbnail portrait size. Alright, so subscribe to my channel if you just joined me for the first time. Hit the post notification bell so you get notified when I post new video on YouTube. Okay, so we're done. So I'll take it to Photoshop Express. It hasn't brought out the beauty of that design yet, but Photoshop Express is going to help me with it. Okay, I'm just going to try and locate. Okay, so this is the what we just did now. Okay, so I'll click on adjustment. Let it just be fuller. Click onto this adjustment. Now increase the clarity to about 30. Now if you've been following me through, there are some tutorials I'll be dropping lately. I've already written everything down. I'll drop like serious cool tutorials that will be of benefit to you. Let me just make the years about 50. Okay, so I will kind of increase the contrast of the old design, and let me just pop the vibrance a bit, about 20. When you tamper with the saturation, it just comes up and attack out the hue color. Okay, let's see. So this is before, this is after. You can see it has brought out all this bluish vibe. Let me see the temperature. Okay. Now the reason I'm taking it here, you can see it is kind of becoming a touch of blue here. Just have to move your hand, move it slide. Okay, so since the water is kind of in that kind of color. Okay, so the next thing is come to next and just tap save to gallery. So it's gonna save. Okay, so that's all for this video. So if you just joined me for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, put on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video on YouTube. You can get the resource used at the video description. Just go to the video description, you see the resources I used there. So this is, I think, the one I manipulated first, and this is another one. So this is the one without bubbles inside. So just choose the one you like. Just choose the one you like and just make it as realistic as possible. Alright, so we'll see in the next video.